Good day, everyone. I'm Dr. Merissa Ocampo, yeah, and I'm a 100% Filipino physically. Look at my feature. I'm 100% Filipino and 90% Filipino mentally, but 100% Japanese when it comes to document. Yeah, because I am now a naturalized Japanese. Online conferences are good because financially we can save money. Yeah, so instead of spending 100 or about $1,000 going to that particular place, we could save them. Now we could save this kind of money and also safer for us, especially during this period of pandemic period. And then so money, and then also time. We can save time now. So instead of attending the conference for a week, then we can just only sit in our office and have this and wait for the time, and then you are there now. And another advantage, I think, is that you can, so just like Eurasia, you are giving all the participants to record now. So pre-recording now. So pre-recording. So which is actually good in a way, because you can practice and you can minimize mistakes, especially when you really want other listeners to learn about your research now. And then also, whereas the disadvantage, of course, the disadvantage of online conferences, I found it quite sad in a way, because we cannot meet people and we cannot, we can have this actual human to human conversation. Yeah, because we cannot even feel the energy now. So the energy of the particular person we are having a conversation now, just like us now. Yeah, I can see you, but I cannot, it's incomplete because we are both human, but we seem that we are robots now. So that is the disadvantage, actually, because I am more pro human now, and getting energies from other people. So that is, I think, the disadvantage. Eurasia is, it is not limited to the topics of the participants. It is something like all in one box now, whereas in other conferences, so they're only focusing in one topic now, so which is very limited. But Eurasia conference is not now, so they can join any topics they have, and any research they want to share with the participants are fine. So which is really great. That is the advantage, and that is the beauty of Eurasia. Well, the first time I attended the Eurasia was in Singapore. Yes, Singapore now. And when I attended that one, I felt that Eurasia group was a kind of family to me. Yeah, because the number of the participants were not that big. So I felt that this is a kind of conference, because we had this kind of a chance to talk to each other now. So it is not with the organizer, but also with the participants. I also had some experiences attending big conferences. Hundreds of participants were there, but after the presentation, no interaction with them. So it was actually kind of sad. And so that was actually, I found in Eurasia, the smaller the group is, the better, I think, if you really want to to develop your connection with other researchers. I hope that someday we will be able to to have this chance again. And I will recommend this Eurasia. And very how they call it, so you are organized in a way. You are organized, which is I love. Bye, thank you.